So dear students, good noon. Now stop talking so that we can start the class. The class has started, and today we would like to study passage narration. Generally we know single narration, but passage narration is different from single narration. Passage means অনুচ্ছেদ, right? And narration means ukti. So passage narration means অনুচ্ছেদ ukti. অর্থাৎ a narration which is based on a passage is called passage narration. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So dear students,
Yes, sir.
see up narration, write down a narration which is based on a passage is called passage narration. Passage narration. Okay. And there are some differences between passage narration and single narration. In passage narration, there must be a passage. There are more than one speaker, but in single narration, passage is not mentioned. There is only one speaker, and there is no listener mentioned in the single narration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Abir is waiting. Admit up. So this is the difference between passage narration and detached narration. So we are not going to write down that passage narration and detached narration. Just it's a matter of knowing. We are going to learn the rules of passage narration. Directly we are delving into the rules of passage narration. Is it okay? Write down rules of passage narration. Rule 1. Dear students, in a passage narration, at first you will have to identify the speaker and the listener of the passage. First you will have to read the passage very attentively, and then you will have to find out the speaker and the listener. And if you can find out the speaker and the listener very carefully, then it would be easier for you to solve the passage narration. So finding out the speaker and narration, speaker and the listener, this is very important. Write down at first we will have to find out the speaker and the listener from the passage. Okay. See, I have come here from my village. Jerry told the authors. you are really tired. The authors told him. So dear students, here you will be able to understand that the speaker is Jerry, and here the speaker is the authors. And at the very first sentence, the authors is listener, and here him is listener, right? So this is okay. So you will have to identify who is the speaker and who is the listener. So we can solve it. And if you think that Jerry is here, you cannot understand actually who is Jerry. Is he a boy or she, means a girl? It is generally thought that you will understand seeing the question paper. If you cannot trace, then you will guess who will be the person. Generally in the question paper, it is mentioned. That means the names are chosen in such a way so that the students can easily understand. Okay? $32. Okay, now the answer. Jerry told, right? Jerry told the authors that I have come. That means he had gone there from his village. From his village. Okay. The authors, told him, right? Him that he was really tired. Dear students, one point is mentionable here, that when you are going to solve passage narration, all the rules of detached narration must be learned and applied here attentively. If you make any kind of mistakes of detached narration or single narration, then the passage narration will be wrong. So be careful about that. Okay. Do you have any question regarding this? Now, rule 2, which is very, very important. Rule 2. In a passage, if the same speaker speaks again and again, and if he uses assertive sentence, we will have to follow a sequence. Okay, you will have to follow a sequence. Dear students, again. Okay.
Sir, please mute all of us.
Okay, please, dear
Sir,
students.
please mute all of us.
Okay, mute all. Here,
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Write down if the same speaker uses assertive sentences in the same reported speech, comma, we will have to follow the following sequence. From the second sentence. So dear students, what I would like to mention that suppose one speaker is speaking again and again, and all the sentences are assertive sentence. In that very case, as we know that the first sentence will be simply followed as the detached narration, but from the second sentence we will have to follow a sequence. The sequence is, write down, added that, then further added that, further added that, third one also said that, also said that, then again said that, again said that. Dear students, have you understood that at the very first sentence will be simply as the detached narration, then for the second sentence we'll have to use added that, for the third sentence we will use further added that, for the fourth sentence we will use also said that, and if there is any fifth sentence we will write down again said that. Then see an example, then you will be able to understand very nicely. I live in the orphanage. Orphanage. I went there at the age of 4. I live there. I want to chop wood here. I can come here easily. Dear students, this is a passage in which we can see that Jerry himself is speaking again and again. Right? First he has said that I live in the orphanage. আমি একটি অরফানেজে বাস করি. Then he has said that I went there at the age of 4. This is past tense, right? But this is assertive. Then I live there. It is repeated, but I am just showing the sentences. Then I want to chop wood here. Coming to the authors, Jerry is telling that he can chop wood there. I can come here easily. So these all are assertive sentences. That's why we will have to follow that very sequence. Then okay, what are the sequences? First one, added, then further added, then also said, then again said, right? So we will have to follow it. Who is the speaker of the passage? Jerry. And the listener is the authoress, right? So first, Jerry told the authoress. Here see, the first sentence has been followed by the single rule, that means the detached narration. And here, okay. Sorry, Dan. This is told, this is the rule of detached narration, but we are going to follow the second one. Jerry told the authors that he lived in the orphanage. I went there at the age of 4. This is the second sentence. And in this sentence, we will have to follow that very sequence. Who added? So he added. He added that he. It was past tense, right? I went. This is past indefinite tense. So it would be past perfect tense. He had gone there at the age of 4. Now I live there. That means আমি সেখানেই বাস করি, right? He further added that. He further added that he. Dear students, be careful. Live. This is present indefinite tense, so it would be past indefinite tense. He lived there. Then I want to chop wood. That means he also said, right? He also said that I want. This is present indefinite tense, so it would be past indefinite tense. He wanted to. Dear students, just write down, then I am starting. He also said that he wanted to. He wanted to chop there. Then what was at the end of the passage? I can come here easily. That means he again said that. He again said that he Can. So it would be could, right? He could. If there is any come, it would be go. He could go there easily. So dear students, what is important? First sentence will be followed as detached narration or single narration. Then the second, from the second sentence, we'll have to follow that very sequence. Added, further added, also said, again said. Just maintain the sequence. And when we will learn passage narration, don't forget the rules of detached narration or single narration. You will have to follow it. Mahfuz, he is always late. Okay. 39 participants in the meeting, in the class. So dear students, remember one point, that is to chop. Write down a
Sir, we
note.
are 55.
Sorry?
Sir, আমরা 55 জন মোট।
Okay, here it has been said that. Okay. Dear students, one very important point, to chop. If there is any infinitive, write down. If there is any infinitive, infinitive will not be changed in narration. Okay. Write down the note. If there is any infinitive, infinitive means 2 plus V1, present form of verb. Infinitive in direct narration, it will not be changed. Changed in indirect narration. Dear students, if you cannot understand a point, just tell me, no problem. I will solve it, okay? If there is any infinitive, infinitive means 2 plus present form of verb.
স্যার এর আগে কি কোনো রুল দিয়েছেন?
Yes, we have learned. If you want to get example, I can tell. I want to write now. Suppose this is the sentence. Jaman told the teacher. Okay. What would be? Jaman told the teacher. Jaman told the teacher that he wanted to write. Then. So dear students, this is the rule that 2 plus write. This is infinitive. Adnan, you are so late. Okay. This is to write.
স্যার এর আগে কোনো রুল দিয়েছেন?
Yes, I have taught. So to write, this is infinitive, and that's why this infinitive will not be changed in passage narration, means indirect narration. We cannot change it. In infinitive must be as it is. Okay. Main verb will be changed, auxiliary verb can be changed, but infinitive cannot be changed. This is very, very important for you. Okay. Then Have you written it? Can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
স্যার এটা কি আপনি কোনো রুল দিয়েছেন?
Yes, I have taught.
স্যার আমরা তো পাইনি।
Okay, you are late. That's why you didn't get there. Okay. Then rule 3, not 3, 2 by B. Write down rule 2A-B. If the same speaker uses first assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, again assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, in that very case, generally the rule 2A will not be used. We will not follow that very sequence. Added, further added, also said, again said. Have you understood? Just I am telling, then you will understand. If the speaker, write down, if the same speaker uses assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence, again assertive sentence, again assertive sentence, the above rule will not be used. Dear students, just try to understand. Same speaker, suppose Jerry told that I live in the orphanage, I can chop wood, I can come here easily. These all are assertive sentences. But if Jerry uses that
স্যার
I
একটু সরে দাঁড়ান।
here, okay, but if Jerry, there will I tell, will I speak again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if Jerry uses first assertive sentence,
Yes, sir. আবার একটু বলেন।
acha, suppose we have told that if the same speaker speaks again and again in assertive format, then we followed our rules like added, further added, also said, again said. But in this rule, if the same speaker uses once assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, then again assertive sentence, in that very case, we will not follow the rules that added, further added, also said, again said. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. I am
Clear, sir.
giving example so that you can understand. Just watch attentively, dear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Dear, we will not get enough time. Just this rule hopefully will be taught. I can complete the work now. Will I submit
ভাইয়া
it
মিলতে পারবেন?
after completing? Sohail told the teacher.
স্যার
Yes.
দেখা যাচ্ছে না
Sorry, dear. Tell me. See, I can complete the work now. This is assertive sentence. But will I submit it after completing? This is interrogative sentence. That is why we are not going to use that very previous rules added, further added, also said. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suhail told the teacher that I can means who can? He. He means Suhail. That's why, yes, I am telling the rules. He could complete the work then. Understood? Then will I submit it after completing? Then he asked, right? That's why it is better to use, for transforming the sentence, we can use then he asked. He asked if he would submit it after completing. Dear students, here there is it. If it is used in assertive, in direct narration, it will not be changed in indirect narration. Is it clear? If we see there is it in direct narration, this it will not be changed. Any question?
Sir,
Yes.
does this same rule apply to the imperative, ablative, and exclamatory sentences?
Yes, the same rule. That means except it is same, assertive, 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 then we will have to follow that very added, further added also.
স্যার একটু সাইডে দাঁড়ালে ভালো হতো
Yeah, in rest of the cases we will follow this one according to the detached narration. Is it okay?
sir.
So dear students, we are going to complete the class today. Our time is going to be up. If there is any question, please tell me. The rules that we have learned, if you don't understand any point, just tell me so that I can answer.
স্যার
Yes, Yamin.
প্রথমে দুটো রুল পাইনি স্যার একটু দিলে ভালো হতো
Here first two rules.
জি স্যার
There this is
স্যার আপনি পরে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করছেন তো
no, you applied later. If you don't understand the grammar that I have taught, ask me.
স্যার বুঝছি স্যার সব বুঝছি
Okay, it's good.
স্যার ও
Anyone?
মানে ডিটেইলস ন্যারেশনের রুলের কথা বলতেছে
Detached narration. Ifrad?
সম্ভবত আমি জানি না
Sir,
স্যার আমি আমার কথা বলছি না ওই
Yes, tell me if you have any problem.
sir, let me tell sir, while you are writing, then when someone is making a little bit sound at that time, their screen is showing. So we are not able to see your screen. That means you're writing in the board.
Oh, while I am writing.
Yeah, that means when someone is making a little bit sound at that time, we are not able to see your writing.
Oh, so dear students,
Just click
don't.
search icon. Then
as
you will
a-
see video.
As a students of class 9, you are adult enough to understand the situation. So be calm and quiet so that we can be benefited all.
Then, sir, in this case, you can mute all of us. That means
Yes, but
we can't.
I have done it.
But without taking your permission, we can't. That means you have
Okay,
to do that.
mute. Hello.
Yes, sir. We're hearing.
Okay, but what is important here, as this is question answer session, the question must be related the rules that I have taught, because we have many rules to be learned. আমাদের শেখার অনেক rules আছে. What the rules that we have learned, if you don't understand, then tell me so that I can clarify it.
Sir, no problem. We are understood the topic.
We are understood, no, that we understood, we have understood. The sentence will be we have understood. Okay, you could ask me
Yes,
one
yes.
question, that sir, why have you used s? You could ask me. I am making you understand that s, the teacher, generally in our context, teacher is a male person and Suhail is also a male. If it is same gender, generally we are bound to use hints. Is it clear? If it is same gender, we will have to use Laminul. Oh, he has attended the class now. So if it is same gender, we should give that very hints. Is it clear? That's why I have given. You could ask me another question, then this then has been used here. But what is the reason? Then generally when we switch from one sentence to another type of sentence, means assertive to interrogative, we generally use then. It indicates the switch of the tense. Is it okay?
Yes, sir, no problem.
Okay. If there is
Yes,
no
sir.
problem, then
Yes,
we
sir.
can. Yes. P. Who is P?
Sir, it's me, Suhail.
Swile. Oh, so write down Swile so that I can understand. Or show your picture. Is it done? Then another
Yes,
rule.
sir.
Sir, done.
Sir, আজকের ক্লাস কি শেষ?
Time generally 30 minutes for learning and 10 minutes for question answer session. So as there is no question, we can just go. We can learn more. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, if we break the sequence of the first rule, so will it be a very big problem?
First rule means added, further added, also said, again said, this very sequence.
Ji, sir. Yes, sir.
That is
Yes.
second rule, sir.
Sequence should not be crossed. Should it? Rules means what? You are bound to follow it, right?
Yes, sir.
So rules should not be broken. It should not be violated. If
Yes,
the
sir.
rules,
Thank you, sir.
We are learning grammar, and in grammar, every single point is based on the rules. If there is no rules, there must not be any grammar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, do you have any more question? Dear students, our class time is going to be up very soon. So still, if you have any question, tell me. Otherwise, then learn. Will I give HP or HW? HW. The rules of passage.
Sir, how we will submit the HW?
Dear students, you will complete it and you can just show like this. Sir, I have done. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is an HW. Okay. A baby has written, not baby, a child has written, Bangla kotha bolo, because I am not speaking in Bangla and he is fed up. So this is just show that this is HW. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
আর অনেকের বাসায় তো আবার
Hello?
স্যার অনেকে তো ল্যাপটপে ক্লাস করতেছে বা কম্পিউটারে ক্লাস করতেছে, তারা এইভাবে করবে।
You can show, and if it is mobile, it is not a problem, that so that I can see that you have completed. It's okay.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay, what is the time? We are lucky enough that still we can continue the class. The class is not going to be ended. Still, if you have any problem, we can consult. B. Who is B?
Mudassir.
We have to show you the rules.
Sorry?
That means you gave HW, we have to show you the rules that you taught.
Dear students, rules as well as the examples. Without examples, no rules are fruitful, and without rules, no example is fruitful. So at the same time, we'll have to give examples and rules. And we will continue. I will make you understand every single point of this passage narration.
Okay, sir.
So still, as we are in net, we are in the meeting session, we can, will I continue or not?
সময় শেষের দিকে স্যার।
Yes, time is
হয়ে
up.
গেছে।
So again, I am wrapping up the class. First, you'll have to find out the speaker and the listener. Then the second rule, if the same speaker speaks again and again in assertive format, we'll have to follow a sequence. That is added that from the second sentence, you'll have to follow the sequence. That added that, further added that, also said that, again said that. But if the same speaker uses once assertive sentence, then interrogative sentence, then assertive sentence, then optative sentence, then we are not going to use that very sequence. Okay? Then we will learn the use of interrogative sentence later. And another point we learned that if it is infinitive, we'll have to follow the same point. That means infinitive will not be changed. Then we learned another point, that if the speaker and the listener are same gender, in that very case, we will have to give the hints. Okay. So dear students, no more. Just could you please see the time? No, still. Dear students, we can, the time is 46, isn't it 46? Dear, can anyone
Yes, sir.
help that?
Almost.
Time is 47 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, our class time is 40 minutes. So the time is up. So dear students, good noon again, and hope for the best. And I believe that you will go through every single rule. And if there is any problem, feel free to inform me, even over telephone. You can tell me. No problem. I will solve your problem, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Sir, assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার
Assalamu alaikum.
So stay home, stay safe.
Okay. Be safe and sound.